Paul's been pumping our guys full of bass for too long while we argue amongst ourselves. So all family sets gonna meet down in Jefferson Motel. I said it's time we went down there and made it official. Keep that shit off our street. I'm our representative on this.
That's right. Hey, it's all good. It's sweet. Think you can handle it. I'm down with it, man.
All right, let's roll, homies.
Let's do this. Yeah, let's go, man.
CJ, you gonna crash the car again?
Fuck you, Ryder.
Ryder, give CJ a break, man. Practically turned the Grove around by himself. And I was just telling a joke on the little nigga.
Everything you do is a joke, Ryder.
That ain't true.
Right. Just chill the fuck out, man.
Remember, we're reuniting the family, so no bullshit. Stay cool.
When a song wells up inside you, it's got to be let out. I can't believe the casino threw me out for singing a song about a girl with a learning disorder. Love is everything.
Okay, it's strictly one rep per set. You guys don't have to wait here.
We'll be there just in case, bro.
Thanks, homie, but I'm down with you.
Hey, never trust a big
I don't like this, man. Look at all them other family hoods. It used to be Grove Street.
Relax. We straight, they straight. How about you, Smoke?
Hey, I'm feeling a little exposed, but I'm good.
This is the Los Santos Police Department. Everybody stay where you are.
Oh, shit!
Man, we doing? Go, get back here, man. We out of here, baby.
I ain't leaving my brother. I ain't no buster.
Man, this every motherfucker for himself.
I gotta get my brother sweet.
Hey, we're meeting in the back of the motel someplace. Go, go, go! Get into position.
I ain't such a buster now, huh? Asshole.
Get some suppressing fire in there.
What? Don't blame me, blame yourself. Stay the fuck out my way. You cool now. I got you in sight.
Unit down, repeat, unit down. Give me some fucking covering fire.
Now.
What took you? We're smoking right.
They shook on us.
This is the Los Santos Police Department. Stay where you are.
CJ, that chopper's all over. Hit it. CJ, jump on that helicopter.
This is Butterfly. We are taking ground fire.
Shoot everybody, motherfuckers.
More bangers at Blue Corridor, heading back into South Central.
Trouble up ahead! Call, they all over our heads, baby! CJ, watch our wires!
Tonight's the night like Betty Wright. No remorse, yeah. So
Made some good donuts. Let's roll. Eyes front, CJ! Surprise, homeboy! Holy shit! Look at that! Now we should have stayed home and watched the fucking game. Car behind us! Behind us! Put up your windows! Smoke, what the fuck are you doing? Damn it, Smoke! I got soap in my eye! Smoke, you're insane! I like things clean! Hey, CJ, watch to the left! Hey, ain't we been here before? Hey, I'm taking what options I have, alright? Maybe if you have a nice word with these officers, they'll let us on our way. Heads up, brother! Hey, man, some idiot hanging on the back of the car. Somebody shoot him! Oh, shit! All I got in my rear view is bad guy! CJ, cover the rear! I got in my rear view is bad guy! CJ, cover the rear! Oh shit, roadblock up ahead! The cave's jammed! Fuck it, I'm going through! CJ, we got to get up burn up here!
This is LSBD, do not. Hey, what the fuck? Too low! You'll kill us all!
Back up, Smoke, back up! Hell no, I'm going through! Oh man, we gonna die! Oh shit! Slow down, Smoke, slow down! Oh shit, the brakes is out! Shit, that's gonna be a hell of a story to tell when we passing the blunt. Damn, that was some serious shit. Whew, fuck this. We gotta get out of here. Right is right. Everybody split up, we'll meet up later.